Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create a Windows 11 bootable USB with powerful automation features? Rufus 4.14 introduces impressive new options that let you customize and streamline the entire installation process. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use these features to create a perfect Windows 11 USB. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type rufus.ie. This is the Rufus official website. Scroll down and download Rufus 4.14 beta. It's a portable tool, so no installation is required. Now insert your USB flash drive. Make sure it's at least 8 GB, and remember, this process will erase all data on the USB. And under Boot Selection, click Select. Choose your Windows 11 ISO file. Once you select the ISO, Rufus will automatically configure most settings. Make sure your partition scheme is set correctly: GPT for UEFI systems, MBR for older BIOS systems. Now click Start. Now this is the most important part. Rufus will show the Windows User Experience options, and this is where you can customize your Windows 11 installation. Let's go through them quickly. The first option removes the requirement for 4 GB RAM, Secure Boot, and TPM 2.0. If your PC is not officially supported for Windows 11, you should definitely enable this. Next, you can remove the requirement for an online Microsoft account. This allows you to set up Windows using a local account instead of signing in online. You'll also see an option to create a local account automatically. Just enter a username, and Rufus will set it up for you during installation, which saves time. Then there's the regional settings option. This simply applies your current language and region automatically, so you don't have to select them again during setup. The next option disables data collection and skips all the privacy questions. This makes the installation faster and cleaner. You can also disable BitLocker automatic encryption. This prevents Windows from encrypting your drive by default, which some users prefer. There's also a quality of life improvements option. This reduces unnecessary apps and features like Copilot, OneDrive Auto Setup, and some background settings. Be careful with this one, the option to silently erase the disk and install Windows. This will completely wipe your drive automatically, so only use it if you really know what you're doing. The Windows CA 2023 option is related to newer security certificates and is useful for newer systems to avoid boot issues. And finally, the SKU SI policy option is mainly for advanced or enterprise use, so most users can ignore it. For most people, just enabling the first two options is more than enough. Once you've selected what you need, click OK to continue. Rufus will now start creating the bootable USB. This may take a few minutes depending on your system speed. Once done, safely eject the USB and plug it into your target PC. Boot from the USB, and you can install Windows 11 without restrictions. If your PC doesn't detect the USB, check your BIOS boot order. And always make sure your ISO file is not corrupted. That's how you create a Windows 11 bootable USB using Rufus 4.14 beta. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.